Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you like the content in this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what I'm unboxing today, keep on watching. Before we get started, I would like to show you the nail polish of the day. Once again, I am still wearing the OPI, the Scottish polish, and it was from Edinburgh and Tatty's, and also the chunky glitter on the top was Keys to the Kingdom, I think it was. But I'm wearing a beautiful pink blazer for summer, as well as my Chanel fabric brooch. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing I want to show you is something that I picked up from Chanel. So bear with me a second here while I open it. And you know the boxes are awfully stiff. It says Chanel on the top. Open it up. And it's got the Chanel packaging inside. Let's remove that. It also has samples in the little pouch that's got Chanel on the front of it there, as well as, let's move the box first out of the way. You know, the envelope to return if you're not happy with it for whatever reason. And also, I always send myself a little card or a little note every time I make a purchase. So, the front of this one says, "You are beautiful, remember that. Love yourself first." So it's always nice to write a little note to yourself when you make a purchase or to somebody else. And I like keeping these. I'm going to frame these at some point in time. So let's open up the little pouch, shall we? And see what we've got inside here. They sent me the Hydro Beauty Repair Mask. I have not tried these yet, but I would love to try that one maybe tonight. They sent me 2 of those. And also the Coco Mademoiselle Spray Sample Perfume, which is one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and open up the little package and see what I have inside. Okay guys, there's a couple items here. We'll take out one at a time. And I purchased the 763 Rhythm Polish. So let's go ahead and take this out. And this is in a very, very dark blue. It's almost black. You guys see that? It is so dark. I'll have to do polish to show this one on my Instagram. Gorgeous color there. I thought it would be a little lighter, but it would be great for fall. Look at that. It is just gorgeous, guys. Beautiful. I'm sorry my lighting is a little off today. It is just... Second item I picked up was 745, and it says Cruise on this one. Go ahead and we'll open this one up. Look at the color on this one, guys. Is that not gorgeous? It's a really nice orange, but not pumpkin-y orange. This is just gorgeous. Love, love, love. This is the Chanel nail polish in Cruise, and it is a perfect match almost for the Hermes packaging. You could see it there. And this is with 2 coats of polish on and no top coat. It's very nice. So those are the 2 new polishes that I picked up. Picked up the Double Mirror Duo. This one is really hard to get, so if you can get it, guys, snap it up. go ahead and open it up. And it comes in the little velvet pouch with Chanel on the front of it there. Open it up. Which side does it open? And I don't want to blind you with it, so there you go, guys. So you get the idea with Chanel on the front. And this would make a really nice gift as well. With the soaps, you can also get the soaps and the polish. Nice stocking stuffers there. Cannot go wrong on these items, which are very affordable, but some of them are really hard to get. I waited a long time for that one. And I also picked up something that came in this box, Pat McGrath Labs. And my purchase, proof of purchase, came with some black tissue paper there. Remove that. And I didn't purchase from this particular person before, so I wanted to pick up some samples to see what they would be like. Look at that with all the gold glitter inside, guys. This one happens to be the Mini Lip Fetish Lip Balm Trio. Set of 3. One is the Clear Lip Fetish Lip Balm, then Lip Fetish Sheer Nail Balm, Sheer Color Balm in number 3, and then Blow Up Lip Fetish Color. So let's go ahead and set of 3. One is the Clear Lip Fetish Lip Balm, then Lip Fetish Sheer Nail Balm, Sheer Color Balm in number 3, and then Blow Up Lip Fetish Color. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna open this up here. So just give me, okay. They come like this. I can get them all out. I don't want to get glitter all over the place. Okay. They're so tiny. They're so cute though. Look at the lips on those. Those are so sweet. If you've got a daughter that's just starting to experiment with lipstick, these would be great sizes for her, and it doesn't break the bank. I think I paid $18 on sale Canadian for all 3 of these. So let's go ahead and open them one at a time. Oh, this one is pretty dark. And it's so small I cannot even read the back. This is the color that it states. Go ahead and we'll swatch it here on my arm. Can you see that, guys? They are so nice and creamy. So that is the first one. It's too small, I cannot read it. Here is the second one. I believe this is just the balm. Yes. So there's no sense of, I don't even think you can see the swatch on that one. Can you see it a little bit? Cannot wait to try that one. Here is the next color, guys. It's not bad. It's sheer. Look at the gloss in it. And I've swatched it on my arm. It's this one. So I've got the first one, which is a darker color, then the balm, and then the nude, dark nude, which would go really good with my nail polish. Love that. So guys, what do you think? There is the nude, which is really nice. They're very creamy. Look at the packaging, just gorgeous. So that one. Next one was a darker shade. And I'll list the names of the colors down below. Just beautiful. Like I said, on sale for $18. Great stocking stuffers, guys. And then just the clear balm, which I'm going to use this one. I ran out of my Gucci already, so to try this one. So stay safe, guys. Remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Till next time, bye-bye.